How to add or remove shortcuts to the accessibility button on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, go to your navigation bar and tap on the accessibility button. From here, tap on Edit Shortcuts. Then in the list of available shortcuts that you can use, simply just tap on the item to add it to your accessibility button. Here you can see there are a lot of them that can be turned on or switch off. So in here, just simply tap on the radio box to add it to the button or to remove it. So if you want to edit shortcuts, just tap on that, and then to remove an item, simply deselect an item. And that's it. So that is how you can add it to the items. Now in here, if you want to change the order, you have to kind of select and deselect an items to change the order. Or you can tap on the reset button to reset it back to the default. So when you reset it, nothing has been added. You can see the button has been removed. So simply select an item to show the accessibility button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.